Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I got a problem with my G6 and its high beams. Now I'm thinking it's just the bulb. That's the bulb right there. It's LED I put in. They've been in there for years since I've had the car. Work great, super bright down the road. Never had a complaint with the headlights in this car. But now I've got a problem. And let me turn them on, put on the high beams, and I'll show you what it is. So, there you go. You can see it is on, right? It's on. And it's on, right? Headlights on, and that one's on. But if you take a closer look, there's only 2 of those LEDs on that side, and 3 on this side. On this side of the headlight, none are going now, and none on this side are working. So these things are kind of dying out on me, the LEDs. The headlights, the normal headlight ones, still work great. Awesome. They're working perfect. But sadly, you can really notice it at night. And it does not shine anymore down the road. So, I'm going to replace those, but since I'm only going to be using this car for a short time, for maybe another 2 weeks, I'm going to put in just some normal, basic H9 high beams, just so I can, well, kind of get these things shining down the road again, because the way they ain't shining. They're just kind of like headlight strength, and they're not going anywhere. So let me get this headlight out. Sadly, yes, I gotta take this headlight out, and 2 screws here, and that's the sad thing about it. And it's the only way you can change headlights in this. So that's the crazy part of it. I'll show you real soon when I take them out. So there we are. This is just the headlight one, and this one here is the high beam. So getting them out of here isn't too hard. There we go. And I don't know what kind of make these were, but they sure work good. But you can see how there's so many LEDs that are not working on these anymore. There's 6 on each side. We only seen 3 on this one working on one side, and that was it, 3. So let me get this one in without touching the glass on the light bulb, because that's a no-no. There we go. Let me get this one put back in here. Should be simple enough on these ones. It usually is. There we go. Now I forgot to plug it in before I put it in, which was not right, but we got her back in. And now, get this thing back into position here is always a pain in the butt, but it looks like, oh, it's in position. Okay, so I'm just going to do the other one here, and then we're going to give a look and see how these ones, and see if these ones are any brighter. Okay, I got them both in, and they look different because they're not LEDs, but hey, they're going to look funny. Probably, I would say they're going to look funny. I used to like the look of the 2 LEDs going, but now it's going to be LED and a halogen. I never liked that look, but hey, nothing I can do about it right now. So with just the LEDs going, there we go. Now I'm going to hit the brights. Now the brights are on also. Oh, she is bright. Yeah, that's going to shine down the road, ain't it? Well, not too bad. Way brighter than it was. Hopefully that will take care of my highway driving. So there we go. That was fun doing. At least it was nothing serious like a wiring problem or anything like that. And like I said, I just put in the cheapest ones I could find just to get me through for the next couple of weeks. And they're the Sylvania H9s. And yeah, they're just your basic bulb. So, big difference between the LED one there and the halogen. We'll see how I like it. If it's getting light down the road, then I like it. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and continue on tomorrow. Hey, tomorrow is oil filter, some sort of new oil filter. Oh, I can't wait for that.